Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to withdraw from Kraken to your bank. Now first off, let's make sure that you do have payments set up. So we can go over here to the top right to our profile and then go to payment methods. Now, the payment methods will always vary from location. Currently, I only have two methods available to me, and it's by card or by going to Etana. Now, I just wanted to show the deposit window because this window is important for me since, much like with Coinbase, if we are trying to withdraw, you can directly withdraw to a bank or go through something like Etana. It's also important to note that having the Kraken mobile app will be very convenient, especially since on the app itself, it links up with Google Pay or Apple Pay, as well with other payment methods. In my case, I would normally have PayPal, but it seems that PayPal is not an option for me where I am. However, you should see PayPal as well. But if you want to transfer directly to your bank, this is where to do it. And just a note, you might want to withdraw to a bank that you've already used for Kraken. So much like with Coinbase, you might want to deposit a bit first before you get to withdraw your account to that bank. I believe it is for their verification purposes. Still, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.